Alright, just got to the farm. Horses have been locked up all day because it was raining earlier. We're gonna let them go have a party. Good thing there was no cat in front of that door. That would not have been good. Hank! Hank, what do you think, buddy? Ready to go party? Party? Merica's definitely ready to go party. Alright, back up, big boy. Back up. There we go. Hold on. Let's get your sister out. Oh. Deke's excited. Hey! Underneath the camera. Let's try underneath the camera. Oh! Seriously, Merica?
The mule keeps kicking, the
Not
chicken's
cool.
in the pen.
Not cool at all. Chicken down. All right, Spotty, I'm rescuing you. Deke's excited. All right, Mr. Rollback. Hey. Back up, big boy. Alright, we're probably gonna have a party out here, I imagine. Bull's excited. Alright. Hank's getting pumped. Back there. Alright, back up. Back up. Here they go.
Used as a scapegoat, taped to the wall, bruised and abused on some foreign soil. Trained to kill, baby, that's what we do. And programmed to bleed red and white and blue.
Bull had to stretch his legs. Let me see, mister. Always got to do a couple laps. All right, now to go check out the bad news with the chicken. It looks like Merica may have decided to stomp a chicken. Let's go see the bad news. Not good at all. I think the chicken has bit the dust. I think the chicken got it mainly because Merica probably was scared of it and she decided to stomp it. Poor little chicken. No more eggs. No more eggs out of her. Anyway, I better get the rest of the chickens put up. They've been out exploring all morning. They don't care about the rain, but they should probably start to worry about Merica stomping them to death. Not a good thing. Go to coop, chickies. chick, chick, chick. Chick, 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 chick. Come on, chickies. Chick, chick, chick. Chick, 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 chick. There you go, come on. Chicken down, let's go. Come on. Let's get in the coop. You guys want some treats? All right, we'll get some treats. We'll see. These chickies have been doing all day. Chick, chick, chick. See if we got any eggs. Yeah, we got some eggs. Good job, girls. Good job, ladies. All right. I'll get some worms. Get some grain. A little party mix. Chicken party mix. What do you call that? All right, let's coop up. Coop, coop, coop. There you go. Come on. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Stubborn. Stubborn chicks. I'll be back.